Hello, today I will be showing you how you can use your TikTok account on your desktop computer without having to download any software, and it's actually a very easy process. And before we get right to it, come on, just hit the subscribe button if it's your first time to get here, and yeah, we can actually access more educative content, the kind of thing that you will love and you will not find anywhere else. So I'll just go ahead and type TikTok. Yeah, you'll type TikTok login. And you'll click on the first link that pops up there. I normally log in with my Facebook account, so that's exactly what I will do. As you can see, I have actually logged into my TikTok account. We'll give it a minute for it to load, and while we are at this, I actually made it to 1,000 followers on TikTok, but I still cannot yet go live. I don't know whether I'm the only one who has that problem, or there's like everyone goes through that. I actually do not understand the procedure around that, whatever happens around there, because what I initially knew was that when you get to 1,000 subscribers, you are automatically allowed to go live. So if you have some insight or I don't know, pertaining as to why I cannot go live, you can go ahead and comment down there, and then you'll actually help me out. And yeah, so after you've opened your profile, you will go ahead to on your left hand side, yeah, on your left hand side you will point at a blank spot, for example like the one that I'm pointing right here, and then you will right click, and then you will inspect the elements. Wait a minute. And then when you do that, it will open a whole lot of code here. You don't have to worry about anything because you're not going to use any of this code. There's no technical stuff. And again, on the top right corner there are 4 options. There's elements, there's console, there's sources, and there's network. You'll go ahead and click on console, and when you click on that, I want you to notice that there is a change that happens on your on the third bar on your top left corner, and there's a drop down menu that pops up there, and when you click on it, there are options that pop up. Normally the first one is Moto G4, Galaxy S5, Pixel 2, Pixel 2 XL, iPhone 5s, iPhone 6, 7 and 8, iPhone 6, 7 and 8 Plus, iPhone X, iPad and iPad Pro. So I'll go ahead and select the Galaxy S5. You can actually select anything that you want amongst the in the list. You can actually use your TikTok account on your desktop, but on an interface that looks like an iPad, an iPhone, or even an Android phone. So I'll just go ahead and select iPhone S5. And when I do that, I want you to notice that there's a certain change that happens to the interface, but you have to ensure that you have to reload the page. And as soon as you reload the page, then cancel on that. As soon as you reload the page, then voila, here we go. We have an Android interface whereby you can actually access everything that you can access on your phone via your desktop computer. And I'll go ahead and show you an example. For example, this is my profile. When I want to click on my profile, this is what I will do. I will click on my profile, and when I want to, when I want to check out on what other people have posted, the people that I follow, I'll just go ahead and click on the home icon, and as you can see, I can actually see what the people that I follow have posted. Alright, I can scroll it from, I can actually access everything that I can access, via my mobile phone, via my Android mobile phone, through my desktop computer. I can change all this. For example, if I want to use an iPhone interface, I'll just go ahead and click on that. On the scroll down button, on the scroll down menu, and for example, let me select iPhone 6, 7, and 8 Plus. When I select that, I have to ensure that I have reloaded, so I have to reload the page. That is exactly what I will do. And as you can see, it gets bigger, so it somehow represents the interface of iPhone 6, 7, or 8 Plus. It is actually a very, very simple process, and I'm not sure whether you guys have gotten anything that is of value. And if you have gotten anything that is of value, just go ahead and click the subscribe button, and also it will make me, be really, really proud of what I'm doing here when you actually, tap on that like button, and I will very, very much appreciate that. So let's give it a minute. So, and I was also to tell you that I got into TikTok about 2 weeks ago. It took me about a week to get to 1,000 followers, and without using any software, without using any any malicious software. I am not sure whether they started making those for TikTok. So either ways, I got to 1,000 subscribers within a week. I've had a little bit of laxity ever since, I got to 1,000 and I could not go live. So I don't know, I just did not have, the ambition just to go ahead and, continue growing or invest my time in the whole thing. So if you would like to know how you can get from zero followers to 1,000 followers within a week on TikTok, just go ahead and comment down there, and comment down there your username, your TikTok username, and I'll check out your account. Technically, I don't have much to do here, and also I do not have a massive number of subscribers, and which implies that I will definitely check out your channel, and I'll give you a shout out or something, and I'm going to actually make a follow-up video on how you can get 1,000 subscribers on TikTok within a week. I'm talking about within 7 days. It's a strategy that actually does work, and I will prove this to you, because as you see, while I'm recording this video, you can see that I have 1,075 subscribers. Followers. Really hoping to get to that right on YouTube, but I have 1,075 followers on TikTok as I'm making this video, and a week after this I'm going to drop another one, and I can promise you that I will be having I will be having over 2,000 subscribers, over 2,000 followers, and if you want to gain followers, or if you're having a hard time getting to 1,000 followers, just comment your username down there, and I'll check you out. I'll actually give you a shout out.